identify the different types of narratives, understand the structure of a narrative story, analyze the different stages in writing a narrative, and learn how to make a narrative write-up effective. Primary resource for today's learning session are Secondary English Book 3 by Sedler and Haler and Teacher's Own Resources. Boys, a narrative is a way of presenting connected events in order to tell a good story. Whether it's a narrative essay, a biography, or a novel. A narrative unites distinct events by concept, idea, or plot. Common types of narratives normally contain a beginning, middle, and an end. Narratives have been around since the beginning of storytelling, from folk tales to ancient poetry. Types of narrative writing. Fiction. Among fiction, we have novels, short stories, plays, fables, fantasy, comics, mysteries, etc. Then comes up non-fiction. In non-fiction, there are biographies, autobiographies, memoirs, travel guides, articles, etc. Now let's discuss the basic structure of a narrative writing. Basic narrative structure is one of those principles that writers should follow, and it takes part in 3 defined sections: beginning, middle, and the end. It's how these are stitched together to make a story and order of the events that happen in the story. After the basic structure, we will focus upon the essential stages required to plan a narrative writing. That includes exposition. Among it, you are going to set the scene and do the characterization. Then comes up rising action, where the tension is built. And rising action leads to climax. Climax is the most inciting part of the story, and it leads towards the falling action, where the writer tidy up the loose ends and moves towards the end of the story or towards the resolution. Thank you, boys. For now, our topic will further